Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Visual Studio 2010 installed with Visual Basic components and the project folder at hand. Open Visual Studio, then choose File Open Project/Solution to locate the SLN or VBProj file. If you only have source files, open the folder and later create a new project to import them. Make sure the targeted NET framework matches the project's requirement so Visual Studio can load references without errors. Once done opening the solution, watch the output pane for any load errors. These tell you which references or files are missing. If references are unresolved, use Project Add Reference to reattach DLLs or browse to packages. Make sure you set the correct startup project by right-clicking the desired project and choosing Set as Startup Project. Also confirm Debug/Release and Platform in Configuration Manager, so builds target the right configuration and architecture. You now build the solution with F6, address compile errors from the error list, often namespaces, missing references, or target framework mismatches. Run the project with F5 and use breakpoints to verify runtime behavior and inspect variables. If the project won't load or references fail, try cleaning and rebuilding, repairing Visual Studio installation, or editing the VBProj to correct paths. Key tip: compare the project's referenced assembly versions to those installed, and rebind or replace mismatched DLLs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.